Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 115, Part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Since Jishao is going on operation, everything is preparing, especially the operation room right now. Miss, we are waiting for you at the door. Everyone seems to be convincing Jishao, so to give her confidence and also to comfort her. We sing you. Other nannies was there. Aunt Wu and I prepared your favorite sweets and sour pork ribs wait for you to come out to eat. And you're not allowed to steal food. Jishao said to them, I will never steal this time. Well, definitely, look at her. She seems not to be in good condition, also in good state. She was still built, also uncomfortable. Dr. Anne suddenly came in. Well, two more words will go in. Well, finally, Jishao, the operation will gonna start, and it was facing you move closer to her. I will wait for you outside, so don't worry. Well, definitely, she got really worried about her. But of course, she need to be strength, be able to support Jishao. Jishao said to her, if I wake up and don't see you, I'll be angry. Well, definitely, she is, but right now, she should try to calm down herself and also not to be get nervous. I promise you, you can see me at first glance when you open your eyes. Oh, that was sweet. At least right now, she's trying to calm her down. After saying goodbyes and so on, finally, it was Jishao. They went to operating room to start operation. And let's hope everything goes well. After a few minutes, surgery. Jishao, you must wake up. Wei Xingyu said to herself. Now, she was really praying to be able Jishao to survive an operation. Back on Jishao, when she was on operations, it seems that she was on trouble and in different world. Probably right now, she was fallen to deep sleep. How are you today? Still like this? She saw her wrist today. The eyelashes move, but not sure if she moved by herself. Well, it seems that she was still asleep after the operation. Jishao, can you hear my voice? Jishao, what do you think today? Well, everyone is want her to wake up. Of course, she was still on deep sleep. Suddenly, she opened her eyes. She knew to herself that it was Wei Xingyu, but still, everything seems to be dark. Right then, she was fully awakened, but it seems that there's someone restraining herself. She's been tied up and said to herself, I can breathe. Well, definitely right now, she is on a different world of dimension. Jishao was still restrained and also, she said, I can breathe. Well, let's see on what will happen. It seems that she was falling in the oceans again. Now she was coughing and said, do I want? Well, probably right now. Difficulty of breathing. Someone was calling her, Jishao, you have to wake up. It's Wei Xingyu's voice. She was hearing her, but she's not still waking up. Wei Xingyu, I'll be here, waiting for you. No, I just can't give up, Jishao said to herself. Now, finally, she's been awakening and said to herself that she want to go back. Well, definitely, the restraint on her hands finally break off. And now, she want to swim so she can able to see the light again. And said to herself to go back to her. Finally, right now, she was realizing she need to come back. A week later, Anne, how is Jisho's situation? It was on the sick room. Everyone was there, especially Wei Xingyu. They're waiting for Jishao to come to wake up. After all, the glands are the most fragile organs of the alpha and it takes some time to recover. She is an S-class alpha, don't worry, it will be fine. Dr. Anne said to her. Hey guys, there's a part 2, just wait for it later. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!